So in this example, we're going to try and write the log of 15, the natural log of 15, as a log of base 2. Okay, so the first thing is, when we see the log of 15, we need to remember, excuse me, we need to remember that that's actually the log to the base e of 15. Okay, so now if we apply the change of base formula to that, it's going to be the log of the top number, and we want to write this as base 2. So the log of the top number, we want to write it as base 2. Okay, the new log is going to have base 2. The log of the top number divided by the log of the original base. And the original base was e, but our new base is 2. Okay, so that's our answer. It's the log of 15 to the base 2 divided by the log of e to the base 2. Okay. Alright, hopefully that clears it all up.